Sport ponchigena hatsa opoti family members na holipi concerned citizen khan ke detail huta huti kurbo para nai holipi ekta dangor breaking khobor pai thakya oporte koi dibole mon thakya tu as part of media NTN inika achanak hatsa ulagena thakya oporti condolence message brave family members khan ke extended kri dia asa aro inika hatsa hoyena peaceful environment disturb kri thakya tu thorough investigation kurgena justice ani dibole concerned authority khan ke appeal kuri dia ase sources te ito hatsa hogina thaka jani pa tuili bacha ekta laga ama tuili hotai nishna kam jakate ula jagena mota bra tu ta laga phone trace kubole na para aro gor wapas na ha gani sati khan milagena pisar boli ja tuili pimla aro maikham rasta ti thila gari victim laga pajan miti pisar ja tuili gaute khun khun aro gola tepi cut mark thagina lompen lagaina thakya nai koi dia ase itu karni motabrat lash paija oporti ta laga kapra logina cover kuri disha aro inika hatsa hoja oporti Zileng Youth Organization Nagaland aro Zileng Student Union strongly awas uthai digina justice demand kuri ase media team sport ponchina detail pa thakya sabti victim maki to 34 to 35 years old from Maikham Bostibra ase aro sabji vegetables pikaina deliberate family karni kamai thakya ja kali inika achanak hatsa look pagina thagya ami khan janibo pare ase aro khobote incident tuli suspected rape and murder rape kri digena muraida suspected kri loya sikili last to naked condition te pagina itya police khan detail investigation rakhiloya ase aro details hatsa oporte rukhiloya ase